been a long time. Like a magic trick. But we're on EG. I've been learning magic actually. Card tricks just for Monroe. So how cool would it be to do magic for kids? I've only learned a few tricks, but his fucking mind is blown. My missus just ruins it for me. So yeah, we're back on the EG. So I'm gonna get it all undersealed today. Well, not undersealed, I'm gonna get it all cleaned off, and then probably in this video, I'm gonna get it all undersealed today. So right, I'm gonna jack this up. It's gonna be a lot of music playing, as usual. Fast forwarding, lots of grinding. Good old Honda time. Sweaty armpits? Nope. Sammy's struggling with a plug. He struggles. Unless it's a potato, he struggles. Shut up, Stu. I'll have to do it bit by bit. It's gonna take me fucking ages, this. I say it weren't full of rust and then I find some rust. It's not much. Just a bit. Just a bit. The dirtiest job I've ever done. God, this arch is all done. I've done all in the top, all in the sides. Just everywhere really. All the places that I can't really get to. I've still got a tiny bit here, but I'm gonna build it up and go home and then come back probably tomorrow night, start the other side and then do the underneath. Oh, I was like, oh, I'll be done. It'll take me a few hours, but so be back doing the other side in a sec. Peace. Even though this is a shit job, I'm kind of enjoying it, and it's the best way to be. I can't wait. I can't wait to see it. So I just carry on at this rate, motoring. It won't be long before this is complete, because I am motoring. Just gotta do all this shit, and then spray it, rebuild. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's quite a big list. Look at this. That's all that sealing. Oh, that's fucking horrible. Oh, fingers. Everything's vibrating. Is mostly it. I've got most of the rust off, all the bits that I can get to easy from here. When I jet wash it outside and I do the underneath, I'm gonna have to probably do the underneath before it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to carry on with the underneath, so I'll be able to put everything back on and then do more the underneath, drop the tank, get all the lines out, and then motor on with that under there. That's going to be ages, but it's all going to be worth it. My fingers are like vibrating. It's one of the things that's just, it needs to be done, and it's just a shit job. People charge like 500 quid to do this, but they got ramps with jet washers underneath and stuff, which really is what I need. Steam cleaner, but do it all by hand. Oh my god, there's so much rust. Like, oh, it's taking me ages. It's just surface rust, but fuck, it's just annoying. It's just annoying. It's just all in the little nooks and crannies. Pain in the ass, but I'll get it all out. I'll have to bust the sandblaster out, I think, and just blast the fuck out of it. Get it sandblasted. I just have to cover some shit because it goes everywhere, that dust. Yeah, so I managed to do one side on this side. Still got loads to do on the underneath. Just got all the rails done and still gotta, but I'll sandblast the rest of it, I tell you, I'm gonna sandblast it. These are all getting changed, so they're just staying rusty for the time being. I've just gotta do all this middle bit. Still got all that to do, all this bit. It's just the fucking underseal coming off with surface rust. It's not bad, like, honest to God. It's, how old's the car? 95. Like 23, 24 years old. So, it'd be a lot worse. I've seen a lot worse cars. So, anyway, that's the end of this video. I'm knackered. I've been here 3 days now doing this, and my arms are fucking killing me. Jeez. And my back. This is what I managed to do. I've just zinc primered all this because I left it the other day and it started getting a bit of surface rust on, so I just had to buff it all off again. So I thought I'll zinc primer it, and then that'll hopefully save a bit of rust. And then I've got to come back through this side anyway, so I'll just give it a quick buff off. It just stops it from rusting while it's sat near the door. So I've got all under there done. Most of this bit here, all under there. Some of that stuff there. And on this side, all nearly done. Just got a bit in the corner there to do. I'll do that in a sec. This I've got to patch up. These lovely welds that are fucked. So I'm going to put a little plate over there and cut it out. And then I've got this to cut a little ring out there. And then just put a plate round it and just weld that up, and that's it. I've got one there. And I've got one here. Same metal, but it's all rotted on the outside, so I can't see it lasting. Underneath isn't too bad. A few tiny pieces. Yeah. Bit of rust and a bit of rust, and for a 23-year-old car, it is pretty damn solid. So, tiny bit there, but that's just surface, I hope. If you're not on that Jaguar Skills podcast, oh, that shit is fucking, I'm just chilling, proper chilling. So, I'm gonna leave that playing because that is just making me proper chilled. That is effort. Effort, I'm gonna go turn this down. I was gonna do this. This is like, my OCD is fucking skyrocketing. I don't even have OCD. This car has given me OCD because I'm sanding bits off and then thinking, oh shit, I'm gonna spray it. Right, I'll do it properly. OCD, just give me OCD. So I thought I might as well just get the front off. And the thing is, and I just saved the last bit for you, because I've not shown you really anything much. Oh, look at that, it was perfectly spun on. Look how bad that is. Like, even if this wasn't damaged, I'd replace it. That's where it's damaged. This little split. But even if it weren't damaged, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, gotta buff all them off. Clean all inside there, I'll treat in there as well. I can get in there now. Take that off. Oh, I've got to take this engine mount off as well. Take that off. I might grind them off while I'm here. Take that off, them out. Clean all this shit. Oh no, I'm not doing this yet. That can wait till I come to do the bay. But I might as well clean that because I've got to put my, oh no, because I've got to chop this out. Yeah, fuck the strut for the time being. It's just surface rust. I'll just get where I'm going to paint. Cha-ching. Yeah, leave all them on then for the time being. I'm just going to go under here and then up there and then up to here and just do the inside of that chassis like there. Oh yeah, and the doors. So the doors off and the boot, the tailgate. So I just wanted to get in all these locks because these were really bad. You can see all the indentations of rust and stuff. So, and then redid all the wheel arches where I'd missed the first time. I've still got under here to do inside, but alright. There is not going to be a speck of rust on this. Oh, I need to do that as well. That's not rusty though, but I'll do it anyway. Just this stringy shit is what gets everywhere when you hit the old sealer. It just like fluff. Onwards and upwards. I'll be back in a sec.